Do you want to score at least 95% in board exams? Those who say no can leave the video right now. But those who say yes must watch this video till end. Because what I am going to tell you is going to change your life. You will score at least 95% after this. First of all, why do you want to score 95 plus? For your family or to compete with your friends? If these are the reasons, there is no need to score 95%. You are watching this video for a reason or not. To do any work, there must be a reason. You want to score 95%? Then find a reason for it. Without a reason, you cannot score 95% in board exams. If you want to score and you have a clear reason for it, there is no one in the world who can stop you. Your self-belief is the biggest motivation. Don't wait for tomorrow. There is no such thing like tomorrow. You only got today. Make your vision clear to start working today. If you want more motivational videos, then subscribe to our channel and like this video. This is Ujjwal signing off.